Sleepy time. 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to episode 222 of the Shower Podcast, the podcast where I'm in my shower and you do you. I'm your host, Chip, and there is only one thing I desire from you, and it's the same thing I desire for me: sleep. This episode is absolutely going nowhere, but it's maybe sharing one of the most important and most decisive factors when it comes to your productivity, mood, performance, and overall happiness. Sleep. I am running on 2 hours of sleep at this moment. I'm not gonna go too much into the details, but yesterday, as you have seen, I rushed out a recap episode because I was the whole day out at the street parade with some friends. Came out pretty late, but not too late, because I had to wake up at 3 a.m. this morning to work, and the work continued throughout the whole morning until this morning, actually. So from 3 a.m. around 10 a.m. I tried to sleep, but I couldn't. So now we are here with the whole day that passed. I was out with friends again. That was very nice. I also managed to develop a very nice topic for a further episode. We're going to talk about the evolution of politics, AI, and the US. It's going to be very interesting. Stay tuned for that. But coming back to the topic of today, I am absolutely destroyed. It's very, very hot. I know it's already going to be a difficult night, but it's all due to the lack of sleep. So, if recently you haven't been sleeping well, if recently you have reduced your hours and you feel like that's okay because you have more important stuff to do, I'm here to tell you that you are wrong. And there is nothing that you will desire and your body will desire more than sleep. Throw any strategy out that you have, throw any kind of mentality that you might have set for yourself where sleeping less, it's better for yourself. Trust me, it's not. You're gonna pay it off at some point, you're gonna crash at some point, and when you do, you will hope that you have listened to this episode at the right time. So take my advice, use my advice, look at my condition and use it for yourself. Go to sleep, rest, and you will feel for sure better down the line. And you'll be able to succeed and accomplish any goal that you might have had or are having at this time. Having said that, that was all for today. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you all pleasant sleep and rest. But as always, stay consistent, stay resilient. This was the Shower Podcast, and see you tomorrow.